right, we were just about to leave this section, you guys, and I had Manny scan these pants. I found them over in the clearance. It looks like it's coffee, always good. I thought it looked like Coca-Cola, but these are women's pajamas. These are Secret Treasures sleepwear, and unfortunately it's not my size, boo, but for this price I'm definitely getting them. Again, this is the print that you guys want to look out for, and Manny found this one, so I'm surprised he found it. Good job. Again, this is Secret Treasures sleepwear, and you guys can see the UPC, and you guys can see the size. We're probably going to sell these because I definitely cannot fit this. Regular price is $7.88. These are only scanning up $1. $1, you guys. You cannot beat it. Super soft. I mean, you know what? At $1, even if I don't sell them, I can do this. Here's a trick. I could put them on, you guys, right? I can ball it up right here or in the back and tie a rubber band around it, and it would stay on.
How would you do that?
That's a trick. Because if it's too big,
but it has the drop.
Yeah, but I'm so small that this string ties sometimes don't work all the way. Oh, well, I guess she shut me up. All right, so I guess it might fit me. If not, I could still use the rubber band. That's a trick on Angel on the Go. Only $1, you guys. Look at that. $1. $1. Here's the UPC again. Good luck with this hunt. All right, you guys, we are still in the clearance. Look, it says 7 here, but you guys got to scan. This is a black, and it's like a pajama shirt. It's super soft. I don't care what size it is, but it is a 2X. You guys can see it says Secret Treasures. And look at that. It's super soft. Here you guys go. Secret Treasures sleepwear. Look at this, you guys. Here's the UPC. I found one just like you.
How much?
You got one for $1? We all got one for $1. $1. And look, they match my shoes. I could wear it if it gets cold because look, I forgot my sweater. Look at that, $1.
Mine's better.
Yeah, I don't know. I like both. But you guys, if you guys see something like this, and this is all black, and again, it's super soft. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Super soft. Here's the UPC. It was almost $10 down to $1 on Angel on the Go. Let's see what else we can find. All right, you guys. Manny's back is hurting, so he's actually sitting down. So I gotta finish off this video, but look at this whole cart. Let me tell you guys, look at this. This whole cart, you guys, everything in this cart is only $1. $1, you guys, $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I found. Look at that. Now you guys remember that video I did with the sweaters? You can wear this anytime. We work from our home, and so our kids are homeschooled, so or doing virtual school, so we can wear these around the house, especially when it gets cold. So the first one right here is the Secret Treasures, and I think most of these sizes in here is going to be like an extra large, 2X, and also 3X. But look at that, and it's nice and soft. All right, so I'm going to show you this first one. Again, Secret Treasure sleepwear. If you guys go in the women's department, look for these pajama tops. All right, here's the UPC. You guys can see the regular price, $9.97. It's only $1. $1, you guys, $1, $1. All right, so I got a few, and sorry, I got one hand because my partner is over here relaxing. All right, so I got 3 of these, and let me show you the next one. Look at that. I can't believe they still have Christmas stuff in here, and it's March. So look at this. Baby, it's cold outside. Super soft, you guys. And this one's a 3X, but I have a few more over here. It has the polar bear. Again, it says, baby, it's cold outside. And this is another Secret Treasures comfortable pajama top, long sleeve. Again, you guys cannot go wrong with these. All right, so here's the UPC. And you guys can see the regular price of $11.84. Look at that. It says 7, but it's only scanning up $1. $1. You guys, I love $1. Manny hates the woman department. We found another one. Okay, the next one. Oh, what fun. Again, I think this Walmart had overstock on some Christmas items. The last time I came to this Walmart and checked on these, they were $7. Some were 7, some were 9. But look how cute this is. And again, I work from my home. I always get cold. So these are perfect pajamas. It says mix and match. Again, the brand is Secret Treasures. Sleepwear. There's the UPC. And the regular price of this one is $9.97 down to $1. Look how cute this one is. This is one of my favorite. I love owls. This is super cute and it's super soft. Look at that. Look at that. Super soft. All right, let me show you the tag. Secret Treasures. Regular price is $9.97 down to $1. Hopefully you guys can hear me because these fans are like really loud. So I'm hoping that you guys can hear. But look how cute this is. And again, regular price, $9.97. There's UPC, $1. $1. All right, look at this one. Friday. Super cute. At this point, I don't even care what it says, as long as it's $1. Super cute. This is like a light pink color. And it looks like most of these I found is going to be the Secret Treasures. Here's the UPC. You guys can see. And the regular price on this one, $9.97. You guys cannot beat. I mean, this is better than a Dollar Tree, you guys. Better than Dollar Tree. So again, $9.97 all the way down to $1. I found a few of those. These right here, these are like the red pants that go with that shirt, that sweater I just showed you. So these are the pants. It has a string right here. And again, I'm going to probably try to wear these because these are super soft and super comfy, especially when I'm working and listing in the house. This is definitely not going to fit me, but again, it has a string. And if not, I can tie a rubber band right here and it will fit perfect in the house. Let me show you this. And again, this one is Secret Treasures again. Regular price of these pants, $9.97. You guys can see the tag of 7, but no. Scan. They're only coming up $1. $1. And you guys, super soft. All right. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let me go over here. All right, up next, you can't go wrong with gray. Again, these are kind of big, but you know what? They're for the house, so it's perfect. This is like a dark gray. And again, Secret Treasures. Here's the UPC. And most of these are like between $9.97 and $11.99, maybe $14. So this is a great price, you guys, for only $1. All right, here's another one. Sorry, you guys, I only have one hand. All right, so this is the next one I found. This is light gray. Look how cute that is. You guys, I am so happy. I got my dollar hat on from the video I did last week. But look at this, super cute, you guys. And again, if you guys can only feel it, it's super soft, super soft. All right, Secret Treasures, Sleepwear Essentials. There's the UPC. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, and this one is also only $1. $1. So I got a few of those. Here's 2 more right here. So I got a total of 4. All right. I'm not sure if I showed you this one already, but I'm going to show you. This is the all black one. So I actually got 2 of these black. I can't remember if I showed you. I'm going to show you anyway. super soft, just like the dark gray and the light gray. Secret Treasures. Regular price $9.97 down to $1. Here's the UPC. And look at my partner, you guys. Look at this. Look at him. What are you doing over there? Look at that. This is the help I get. I am out of breath. You over there sitting relaxing. Really? He's claiming, you guys, his back is hurting. So I'm going to give him that. I'll give you a massage when we get home. All right. So again, the black one is only $1 too. I think I showed you this one. This one's also $1. All right. I showed you these inside. These coffee pants. Let me show you again. So these are only $1 too. And let's see. Almost done. I found another black one. All right, now, you guys, look at this. This is my favorite find of today. Look at this. Look at that. You get a whole outfit. Look at that. You get the top. You get the bottom. And you guys are not going to believe this price. This is the hot pink. It says sheep walker. Again, sheep walker. Super cute. Oh, you guys, this is super soft. All right, so you got the sheep in her pajamas with the cute bunny slippers and look like she's sleepwalking. But not only does it come with the long sleeve pajama top, but it also comes with these cute pants. It's a whole set. Look at this. She's sleep watching TV. She's sleeping, sleepwalking. Super cute, you guys, and it's super soft. Look at that. I wish you guys here to feel it. So I actually ended up getting about 5 sets of these. You guys, let me show the UPC first. All right, so that's what you guys are going to be looking for. Secret Treasures sleepwear. Again, this is what it looks like. That's the top. That's the bottoms. You get a whole 2-piece pajama set. Here's the UPC. Regular price $11.84. You guys ready for the boom? You guys ready? Only $1. $1, you guys. Look at this. I so wish they had my size. I don't know what size they have, but I just grabbed them. So I got a few over here. I got all of these right here. So I think I got about 5 total. And they all have the pants. But you guys, only $1 on Angel on the Go. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel because you guys do not want to miss any of these deals that we find. I actually found this in the sleepwear, the women's sleepwear, and this was in a group of pajamas, and it had the sign of this price right here, the $11.84. So the sign said $11.84, but I decided to scan it. I don't know why. Something just told me to scan it, and when I scanned it, I almost fell out because it was only $1. Only $1. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and click on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.